Welcome back, children, to lesson number 6, Integers. Children, today in this chapter we will start exercise 6.2. Let's start with question number 1. Using the number line, write the integer which is. Children, here what you have to do, you have to add or subtract according to the instructions given, and the same you have to represent on number line. Okay, so the first one is 3 more than 5. Children, 3 more than 5 means 3 plus 5. So what is the answer? 3 plus 5? 8. So how we will represent it on number line? Yes, we will start from 5 and we will move 3 steps ahead or right of 5, and we will reach to 8, and we will get the answer on number line, that is 3 plus 5 is 8. Next one is 5 more than minus 5. Here 5 more than minus 5 means 5 plus minus 5. Okay, so 5 plus minus 5 is 0. So how we will do? Yes, we will start from minus 5 on left side of origin, and what we will do? Yes, we will start from minus 5 and we will move 5 steps towards right of minus 5, and we will reach to 0, that is origin and answer on number line. Now the next one is 6 less than 2. Okay, children, so 6 less than 2 means 2 minus 6. Children, 2 minus 6 means minus 4. Here you will be thinking, why minus 4? Yes, because here minus 6, that means 6 is greater than 2. 6 has sign of negative. Minus 6 is negative integer, that is why the answer will be negative. So answer is minus 4. So here how we will represent it on number line? Yes, we will start from 2, that is positive 2, and then we will move 6 steps left of positive 2. So as we move 6 steps left to positive 2, we reach to minus 4, and this we get on number line. Now the last one of this question is 3 less than minus 2. So children, here this means minus 2 minus 3. Here both the integers are negative. So what we will do? We will add. But what will be the answer? Yes, it will be negative integer only. We will add, but the answer will be negative integer only, that is minus 5. So children, here we will start from minus 2 and we will move 3 steps left to minus 2, and where we will reach? Yes, we will reach to minus 5. Now children, question number 2, use number line and add the following integers. So children, here using the number lines we will add these integers. First one is 9 plus minus 6. Children, 9 plus minus 6 means 3. Okay, so we will start from 0, that is origin, and we will move 9 steps right to 0, and we will reach to 9, and then because we need 3, we will move 6 steps left towards 9, and we will reach to 3. We have already learned, children, that as we move left on the number line, the number becomes lesser. So here when we are moving 6 steps left to 9, we get 3. Now children, next one is 5 plus minus 11. Children, here 11 is greater number. So 5 plus minus 11 is minus 6. Now we will represent it on number line. So children, from origin first we will move to right, 5 steps right, and we will reach to 5, positive 5. Then we will start from 5 and we will move left towards 5. So when we are moving 11 steps left towards 5, we will reach to minus 6. Now the next one is minus 1 plus minus 7. Children, as we open the brackets, it becomes minus 1 and minus 7. Both the integers are negative, so we will add, but the answer will be negative only, that is minus 8. So children, here we will start from 0 and we will move left. Okay, so when we are moving left, we will reach to one step, that is minus 1, and from minus 1 again we will move 7 steps left towards minus 1 and we will reach to minus 8. Now next one is minus 5 plus 10. Yes children, here you can see that minus 5 is smaller than 10. So we will subtract, but the answer will be positive number. Okay, so we will start from 0, that is origin, and we will move 5 steps left towards 0 and we will reach to minus 5. Now from minus 5 we will move 10 steps right towards minus 5 and we will reach to 5, that is positive 5, and in this way we can represent minus 5 plus 10 is equals to 5 on the number line. Now the next one is minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. Children, here you can see that all the integers are negative, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So when we are opening the bracket, it becomes minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So here children, what we will do, we will add the integers, but the answer will be negative. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 is minus 6. Now let's see how we will represent it on number line. Children, we will start from 0 and we will move towards left. Okay, so from 0 we will move one step towards left and we will reach to minus 1. Then from minus 1 we will move 2 steps towards left and we will reach to minus 3. And then last step is, after reaching to minus 3 we will move 3 steps towards left and we will reach to minus 6, which is the answer. Now last one here is minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. Now when we open the brackets, minus 2 plus 8 minus 4. So children, minus 2 plus 8 is 6 because 2 is smaller than 8. Then 6 minus 4 is 2 again because 6 is greater than minus 4. So children, here we will start from 0 and we will move left towards 0. We will move 2 steps left towards 0 and we will reach to minus 2. Now children, here minus 2 plus 8, the answer is 6. So what we will do, we will start from minus 2 and we will move right towards minus 2, 8 steps right towards minus 2 and we will reach to 6. Okay, now from 6, now 6 plus minus 4 is 2. So from 6, that is positive 6, we will move 4 steps left to positive 6 and we will reach to positive 2, that is plus 2. Now the next question is add without using number line. Children, here we don't have to use number line for adding, we have to just directly add these integers. So children, the first one is 11 plus minus 7. Children, as we open the bracket, 11 plus minus minus. So 11 minus 7 is equals to 4. Now minus 13 plus 18. Children, here we have two integers, that is one is positive and another one is negative integer. So here the negative integer is smaller than positive integer. So we will get the answer in positive integer. So minus 13 plus 18 is 5. Now third one, minus 10 plus 19. So minus 10 plus 19 is 9 because minus 10 is smaller than 19 plus 19. Now children, next one, minus 250 plus 150. Here minus 250 is greater than 150. Okay, that means negative integer is greater than positive integer. So there will be subtraction, but the answer will be in negative integer. So minus 250 plus 150 is minus 100. Now fifth one, minus 380 plus minus 270. Here children, both the integers are negative integers. So we will add both the integers, that is minus 380 minus 270. Both the integers will be added, but the answer will be negative integer only, that is minus 650. Minus 380 minus 270 is equals to minus 650. Now last one of this question, minus 217 plus minus 100. So children, here minus 217 minus 100. Both the integers are negative integers. So we will add both the integers, that is minus 217 minus 100, and the answer is minus 317. Question number 4, find the sum of. Sum means addition. So first one is 137 and minus 354. So here is the solution, 137 minus 354. Here 354 is greater than 137. So the answer will be in negative integer because 354 is negative integer. So 137 minus 354 is minus 217. Next one is minus 52 plus 52. Children, this is a very simple question. The answer is 0. Okay. Next is minus 312 plus 39 plus 192. Children, here you can see two positive integers, that is 39 and 192. So first we will add these two positive integers, 39 and 192. So the answer is, the sum of these two positive integers is 231. Now minus 312 plus 231. Children, here again 312 is negative integer and it is greater than the positive integer. So we will subtract, and the answer is minus 81 because negative integer is greater than positive integer. Now last one of this question, minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. Children, here first we will open the brackets, minus 50 minus 200 plus 300. So first we will add the negative integers, that is minus 50 minus 200. The answer is minus 250. Okay, because both the integers are negative, we have added, but the answer will be negative only. So minus 250 plus 300, the answer is 50 because positive integer here is greater than negative integer. Now last question of this exercise, find the value of. First one is minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Children, here we have two negative integers and two positive integers. First we will open the brackets, minus 7 minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. So we will add the negative integers and we will add the positive integers. Positive integers will remain positive, and negative integers will also remain negative only, but they will be added. Negative integers will be added. Minus 7 and minus 9 gives minus 16 and 4 plus 16 gives 20. Now minus 16 plus 20, the answer is 4 because 20 is greater than minus 16, that is the negative integer. Now last question of this exercise, 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. Now we will open the brackets. 37 minus 2 minus 65 minus 8. Children, first we will add all the negative integers, that is minus 2, minus 65, minus 8. So minus 2 minus 65 is minus 67 and minus 67 minus 8 is minus 75. Now 37 minus 75. Children, here you can see that negative integer is greater than positive integer. So we will subtract, but the answer will be negative only. So 37 minus 75 is minus 38. Children, I have done all the questions of this exercise in this video. Complete this full exercise in your maths notebook. We will meet in my next video with new concepts. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.